Well, I just want to maximize my solar panels. So what I've decided to do is to give them a little wash. This is a brand new mop head. And this is the mop head after cleaning off 2 solar panels. See the difference? It's not something you need to do every day, but I haven't done it at all, ever. So probably I'll do it once every season, maybe once or twice over the season, just to get this gunge off. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it up there. It's hard to tell, but definitely is making a difference, and it will allow a little bit more sun to come through these panels. Again, my name is Jim, and thank you for visiting my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. If you have solar panels and you want them to be really efficient, give them a little wash once in a while. I know Mother Nature washes them, but if you can help out a little bit, then that's good, because you get all your pollutants and everything laying on top of them. Subscribe to my channel, and we'll talk to you in the next video. Have a great day.